In this video, I will go over the quiz on trigonometric functions and of any angles. So we're just going to do a quiz. So on this quiz, it says find the indicated trigonometric function in the specific quadrant when given tan theta is positive 3/2, and we are in quadrant 3. The direction says find secant theta. Okay. So first, we're going to have to kind of draw a triangle, figure out where we are in the triangle, which quadrant are we in. So, okay. So it specifically says we are in quadrant 3. 1, 2, 3. So it would be, here's quadrant 3, correct? Now it says tangent a positive 3/2. So remember, tangent of theta is y/x. Now, because we are in quadrant 3, the y value is negative and the x value is negative. So that's why you have a positive 3/2, because two negatives becomes a positive, right? Good. So draw your little triangle. This is y/x. So this horizontal distance is your x. This vertical distance is your y. And then you can draw your theta here. So yeah, that's good to know, because what are we going to substitute our y and what are we going to substitute our x? So our x is -2, so you're going to put a little -2 here, and your y value is -3, right? And I think we have, in order to go any further, we got to find the hypotenuse. Since this forms a right triangle, we're going to have to apply Pythagorean theorem. So one of my leg is -2 squared. One of my other leg is -3 squared equals to c squared. So -2 squared is 4 plus -3 squared is 9 equals to c squared. 9 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12, 13. Take the square root. C equals the square root of 13. Okay, so my hypotenuse is definitely radical 13. So now that we draw the correct image, the correct triangle, let's find secant theta. So secant theta, how do you express secant theta? There's two ways you could express secant theta. There's a c here, so it's related to the cosine. So if cosine, what is cosine? It is x over radius, right? So we could say secant is a reciprocal of that, so it would be radius over x. Yeah, I think that's a lot easier. So our radius, or the hypotenuse, is square root of 13. And then our x coordinate is -2. So secant theta is negative radical 13/2. Okay. The other way secant can be expressed is 1 over cosine. I don't really like this. It's just more work than I have to. You'll still get the same answer because it's 1 over cosine, which is x over radius, so it's -2 over radical 13. You get, once you do the work, you're going to get the same answer. Okay, so that's it. That is the quiz. I will stop here.